Hey there, my handsome and pretty little cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras Nest. So today's video is going to be a fun little fashion show. I wanted to do some minimal fashion style kind of video. It's kind of like an OTD or some minimal fashion aesthetics. I kind of wanted to like switch it up. I always make like 10 types of tips, but I was like, let's have some fun. Let's do a little fashion show. So today's video is going to be some minimal fashion ideas. So without further ado, let's just get the video. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo. Okay, so before we start that, we are going to be doing a little unboxing. So BABALA Bags has kindly reached out and asked if I wanted to do another unboxing video, and I'm like so excited to share that with you guys because I absolutely love their bags. Their bags are top tier. I have 2 from them and they're like my favorite bags. If you guys see on my Instagram, I'm always wearing their bags. Let's do this cute little unboxing. How am I gonna, oh yeah, I should clip this on. Aww. I have the white one from them and the material is just a top tier. Absolutely love their pieces. On the inside of the box, there's a little envelope, some ribbon for when you want to wrap up the box or store anything, little card, and then tissue paper. But let's get to the fun part, unboxing the bag. It comes in this beautiful dust bag. You can use the dust bag to store it again. This is so classic and elegant. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just everything. You guys know I love these type of bags. These are just phenomenal. They're so much fun. This is just so like elegant. I asked for gold hardware and this is what it looks like. And we can take off the little straps. Where are my scissors? I just kind of wanted to talk about the new year and how the new year is going. This is going to be the first year where I am actually practicing gratitude. I don't have a wish list, a long wish list, barely a wish list of items that I want. I've always done that for the past couple of years of things that I wanted. I was like, this year, I just want to practice gratitude for all the good things that I have in my life. So, oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. Let's take these off. Let's open her up. Comes with a little felt cover, so if you want to wrap it up later on, you definitely still can. Take off the felt. I've gotten more pro at taking these off. Before, they used to really confuse the hell out of me. Everything is like still sealed, the sangles, and it has the stickers and everything. So if you want to enjoy peeling that off or keeping them on, you definitely still can. And then on the inside, it has a little airbaggy. I still keep these inside because they are amazing for storing the bag later. On the inside, it has the lock. It also has the lock and key. So what the inside looks like, the gold hardware on the back as well. Let's take out the lock and key so you guys can see that. Absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna style this with a twilly and an outfit and continue the fashion show because I wanted to show you guys what these look like. This bag, the cray of it, and also the mini Kelly. So here I am with the black bag and a striped shirt with beige pants. For me, I like to pair together items that are kind of like cool tone and beige tone, so when there is color, it just kind of pops. I love wearing navy. I think it's like the perfect black. Like, don't get me wrong, I still wear black, but there's something about navy that's just like chef's kiss. How can this be a Cobra minimalist outfit if I don't have a little bit of beige? You guys know I love cool tone, white, cream, beige tones. It's just like amazing. And I love me a little bag. I recently got this oversized like sheep style fleece jacket sweater thing from Uniqlo, and it is a chef's kiss because that is totally my style. I used to wear one of these when I was at my mom's, so this is just a tried and true style that I absolutely love. Once I discovered oversized clothing, I never went back. If you want a good minimalist hack, if you want to look comfortable, try a little bit more oversized and try within the same color family. That way, any color you have, I guess in this case black, it has a little bit of a pop. If you're striving for a minimalist closet or a capsule, I think using the same items and then just tweaking it with like a little accessory is a really good hack. That way it keeps your closet like clutter free. So for example, all I did was just like swap out the bag and the sweater and ta-da, a new outfit. Pretty good hack. That's how I've kind of kept my closet like minimal and curated, is that I realized that like if I kept everything the same color and I just kind of like swapped out the accessories, I didn't have to add as much bulk, but at the same time I got a fresh little taste, because using the same colors monochromatic over and over again can get boring pretty quick. I do have some brown tone stuff left over, so like this little brown pouchy is kind of a warm tone and it does kind of create a pop of color, but if you don't like that, then just stick to cool tones or warm tones depending on what your style is. I loved wearing taupe colors. As you can see, this outfit is a little bit older and it is taupe colors, but again, even then I tried my best to make everything be within the same color family. I try my best to buy the best and keep for as long as humanly possible. This little fit I had bought back in 2023 and I still have it, and I think same thing with the Coach bag. It was a gift from my mom back in 2022 and I still have it, and it is 2026. The cute little mini Kelly in the crate is also from BABALA and I absolutely love it. It's so small and sleek and I always wear it to the mall. I really tried wearing like the Birkin, but it's not really the vibe at the mall, so I'm so glad to have like a little small bag. And now the Birkin is more of a travel bag or something that I use around the house, and that's great because just dress how you want. I think comfort is key. Another little tip that I can give is to kind of avoid logos. I feel like that makes everything look a little bit more sleek. So here I am with my pliage. I love rocking my pliage because it's lightweight, no logos, and yeah, it's good to have like a lightweight bag. As you can see, I think a good secret to minimal fashion is to just kind of use the same items over and over again, and then just kind of rotate the accessories, because there's really no need to like clutter up your style. Once you kind of figure out what you like, just wear your favorite things over and over again. I've been rocking this little Goyard tote since like 2023 and it's still going strong, and I bought it in a muted color because I was like, I don't want like a bright red. I think that's a little too popping for my style on the daily. And yeah, low-key muted colors just kind of make the outfit look more elevated without, you know, screaming, I'm obsessed with fashion. It's more like I'm relaxed. I know myself well. Here I am with the pliage. It's folded up, and I'm going to unfold that for you guys, or at least I'm going to try to remember to unfold it. And I'm just wearing like a navy blue, and I put back on my beige pants and my little cashmere hat from Aritzia, and you can see the overall look. Like, it looks like a brand new outfit, but a lot of these pieces I literally was wearing them in the other clips, so you can see that like you don't need to have a huge closet. You can have pieces that are classic and you just interchange them, and then voila, a brand new look. Like, literally looks different from the other ones, while at the same time still looking like put together and you know your style. You can also see that style does change over your minimalism journey. I was really against wearing black, especially because of my extreme minimalism days. I was like, I hope I never see another black outfit again. But here I am kind of rediscovering my love for black, because I realized that like black accessories look really nice with my black hair. So I kind of like figured out the nuance that I love like a black aesthetic without it having to be the entire outfit. It can just be the accessory. So I can have fun with the color, or I guess lack of color, like this black noir, and I don't have to worry about having to reinvest or redo my entire closet. So I just want to give a big thank you to BABALA Bags for partnering with me for today's video. If you're interested on the details for the bag, I have all of the details listed in the link down below. And I want to give a big thank you to BABALA Bags, and the biggest thank you to my Cobra babies. None of this would be possible without your continued support. So I want to say thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed the little fashion show. That was fun to film. I never really filmed one of those, so that was cool. And I will see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.